How to create an image with Meta AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you how quick, how super easy it is to create an image using Meta AI. So out of the three basic applications that they have, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, you can choose any of those. I would really like that if you choose WhatsApp because WhatsApp is really easy to use and it's pretty easy to give in commands to the Meta AI. What you're going to do is you're going to either just quickly and easily type in, create an image of whatever the thing you want, or you can just head over to Meta AI's chat right here and then let me just type in create an image of a purple horse with two equestrians on it. Basically, I just gave in my prompt and now I'm waiting for Meta AI to generate that image. And I've done this before in the past. Take a look over it. This is the one that I've asked it to generate, but let's look at the one that they've generated. You can see these are two equestrians on a purple horse. It delivered exactly what I asked it to. You can type in any sort of prompt without having to worry if you want to add in the prompt regarding, sometimes they ask you to type something in like imagine. This is basically imagine. This is how you are supposed to do it. But even if you don't enter in the imagine thing and you just simply type a prompt out as if you're typing a text message, it's going to deliver its work. Now let's just say imagine a wedding of Libyan groom and Italian bride. It's just gonna create something out of whatever you ask it to imagine, and it's just gonna create an image for you like that. You can see how this is a Libyan groom and the bride looks very Italian. It's very detailed and very much detail oriented. So guys, this is how you can create images using Meta AI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel.